Figma recently dropped a huge update and it might just change how we build websites forever. Figma Sites is a brand new tool that lets you design, build, and publish fully functional websites all from inside Figma. If you are someone who's used Figma just for design and then handed things off to a developer or moved to tools like Webflow, Framer, or something else, this new tool changes everything. Let's break down exactly how it works and what's possible. As always, you start by designing in Figma using the tools you already know. Once you have got your layout, you can move directly into Figma Sites. No need to export, no need to switch platforms. You simply paste your design into the site's interface, and from there, the real magic starts. It is straightforward to build responsive websites. After you have pasted in your desktop layout, you can add breakpoints for tablet and mobile views. You can tweak the layout per breakpoint, and what's interesting is that content changes sync across breakpoints, but style changes cascade just like in CSS, allowing you to focus on design without constantly fighting your layout. Next up, interactions. Figma Sites offers a range of built-in animations. It offers scroll effects, hover states, draggable elements, parallax, marquee scrolling, and right now there are a few, but I am sure new ones will be added in the future. We can also see conditional animations where interactions can change based on a condition. You can also customize easings and transitions, adding polish without diving into any code. Now, while these animations look great, it's worth noting that they are not customizable, or at least not for now. But for many sites, these built-in options will be more than enough to create something dynamic and engaging. Once your site is designed and interactive, you can publish it straight from Figma to a live hosted website. You can connect your custom domain, and just like that, you are live. As of now, we don't have full details on pricing, hosting limits, or planned tiers, but Figma mentioned that more information will be available later this year. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Figma is also working on a content management system for sites. It's not out yet, but from what was shown, it looks clean and simple, definitely more beginner friendly than some other tools out there. The idea is that you will be able to manage dynamic content like blogs or product lists right inside Figma. And if you have ever used a CMS that felt overly complex just to connect content with design, this simplicity could be a game changer. Ultimately, what Figma is building here is a full stack design to deploy workflow. You start with an idea, design it, build it visually, add interactions, generate custom components if needed, preview it in real HTML, CSS, manage your content with a CMS, and publish all in one tool. It's a bold move, and if Figma can pull it off, it could make the handoff between design and development a thing of the past for many teams. Right now, Figma Sites is in beta and only available for full seat users on paid plans. So, this was everything you should know about Figma Sites right now. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. If you want to know about SEO Writing AI, the tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content using AI, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.